My name is Lexi. I'm with the Occupational Therapy Department here at the VA, and today I'm going to be showing you how to put together the bedside commode that you may have received from us. So the first thing that I have done is taken all of the pieces out of the box and laid them out on this table. I find it easier to put them together on a heightened surface, so I would recommend doing so. Here is the main base of the commode. Right now it is sitting right side up. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and flip it upside down so that we can put the legs on it. These are the legs. They're nice and long. They do tend to be a little bit difficult to put in, so you may have to use a little bit of force. So you're going to want to put them into these holes on the bottom, and they work the best with a bit of a twisting motion. And then once you get it in, just press in on the button, twist it in until it locks. Alright, and we're just going to repeat that with all 4 legs. So getting it in there is the hardest part. Then press the button, lock it in place. Okay. There we go. And we lock them in. So that's how we get all of the legs in there. You'll see that on the sides here, there are multiple holes for that button that locks it in place to go into. So depending on the height of your toilet, you can adjust the height so that it fits over it if you're using it over a toilet. If you're not using it over a toilet and you are using it as a bedside commode, you'll want it to be set to your height that works for you. So if you want to make it shorter, push the button in and adjust it as needed until it locks into place. The buttons can get a little jammed sometimes, so just make sure it locks before you try to put any weight onto it. If you do adjust the height of the commode, you'll want to make sure that all 4 legs are the same height so that it is comfortable for you. So now that we've got the legs in it, we can flip it right side up again, and we can place the bowl into the frame. So there's a couple different pieces that will come with it. If you're using it as a bedside commode, you'll want to use the bowl that has a bottom on it, and it just rests right in there. If you're using it over your toilet or you want to use the splash guard, you can use that as well. This one has a hole on the bottom. So depending on where you're using it, you can just switch out which piece you're using. And then the last thing you'll want to do is put the seat on, and the seat just clips on to the back here. So I'll turn it. Has little clips that clip onto the metal frame in the back. If you're using it over your toilet, sometimes the seat can be a little more difficult to use, so it's optional to put it on, but if you're using it as a commode, it's a great addition to it. One of the last things we'll do is put the toilet paper holder on there. So you'll see that it already comes with the metal holders for it. You'll find a little toilet paper holder on the inside of the box, and this just goes on like a typical toilet paper holder. So once you have your roll on the dowel, you can hook it on there, and then you'll have a toilet paper holder right there for you when you need it. Okay, and then just place it where you need it and it should be good to go.